Meet AvaSense, your brand new AI-powered sales representative that merges the best of technology and human touch.
Hi Eva, how are you?
Hi there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
Can you dance for me?
Sure, let's dance together. You're welcome.
Engineered to engage customers with lifelike conversations, AvaSense is more than just an avatar. It's a futuristic partner designed to grow your business and enhance customer satisfaction. Experience the future of sales and support today. Contact us at support@assistflow.ai or visit our website www.assistflow.ai for more information.